don't put your hand in there.
Ice.
Is that your ice? This is Russell's favorite thing to do, play with his ice water. Can you take a drink? Oh, okay, here, I'll take it so we don't spill it. All right, are we going to go wash our hands? Yeah, we're going to go wash our hands, and then are we going to read our books and take a nap? All right, can you say goodbye? Say bye-bye. Can you blow me a kiss?